Welcome to creating an SBM application. I'm your host, Hurricane. SBM applications are collections of elements that work together in an interactive process to satisfy a business need. These elements include workflows, fields, forms, roles, projects, reports, and notifications. An SBM process app may contain more than one application, and these applications may share elements. In our example today, we will build a process app containing a single application. The process that we will model is the process for requesting and approving time off work. We will begin by creating the application using a template in the SBM Composer. After completing this topic, you should be able to use a template to create a new process app with an application in SBM Composer. So let's get started. First, let's click the File tab, and then we'll click the New menu. From the Composer menu, we have just selected New to begin creating a new application. This displays the Create New Process App dialog box shown here. We will begin with the template named Application Process App. In this case, we will build our own workflow from scratch. Let's click the Create button. From the Configure Process App dialog, let's fill in the names we will use to identify the basic elements of our application. We will be creating an application to submit, track, and approve requests for time off from our work. Let's name our process app Time Off. Click in the Process App name field and enter Time Off. Next, click the category list, then click the Human Resource App selection. Finally, click in the Application name field. Let's enter Time Off Requests. Some names of elements are created automatically. We can also modify these names. Let's delete the last word in this field so the tab will simply be Time Off. Double-click in the tab name field and press Delete. For the tab name, let's remove the plural S. This selection will automatically be copied as the singular item name as well. Click in the table name field and press backspace. Let's also modify the workflow name so that it will be named Time Off Request Process. To do this, click in the workflow name field and press backspace, and then enter Process, and now click the OK button. Click the Time Off Request Process link. A new application workflow has just been created. This workflow is a simple template with only the initial submit transition and a single stated name New. From this template, we will add other states and transitions to create the process for requesting and approving time off. First, let's type in a description for the workflow process we are going to build. Click the Edit button and enter Process for requesting, approving, and tracking time off. Click the Save button and then click the Close button. Now we have created a process app named Time Off containing an application named Time Off Requests and the framework for an application workflow named Time Off Request Process. Next, we will begin to customize this workflow to match our business process. Now that you have completed this topic, you should be able to use a template to create a new process app with an application in SBM Composer. Thanks for coming by and checking out how to create an SBM application. Join us next time and always come back because there's more information to be had. Take care.